So for the problem of the night, we have Natalie saving up to buy a new phone, and the table is showing how much money she has in her account. So I see at week 0, she has $70, and after 2 weeks, she gained $80 in her account, which tells me that her slope is $80 divided by 2 weeks, or $40 in 1 week, because her slope is really just her unit rate. So the slope is 40, and it represents the amount of money she's saving per week, because it's a unit rate. So after 7 weeks, she will have $390 saved. Well, I know she's saving $40 every week, so $40 times 7 weeks is $280. But I also have to add in the $70 she already had saved. That only gives me $350, so it's false that she'll have $390 saved. Initial value is how much you have at 0. She has 70 at 0, so that will be false as well.